By now, I hope whatever system you're working on, you have Anaconda installed and things are up and running. I'm going to talk you through installing Pytorch. Remember, in this course, we are mainly going to work with Pytorch. So I'm going to talk you through installing Pytorch on Windows 10, and the same procedure has to be followed on Mac. So once I finish this PowerPoint, I'll just briefly talk you through how I installed Pytorch on my Mac computer. But let's just focus on these steps. So the first thing you have to do is to install Anaconda, and you can always find the installation instructions on the website, and it is advisable that you install Anaconda 3.6 and not 2.7. Then you can navigate to Anaconda prompt like so if you're on a Windows computer, and then you go to the start menu, Anaconda 3 64-bit, and then you can navigate to the Anaconda prompt. So if you are working on a Windows computer, then you're going to have an Anaconda prompt like so, and you can navigate to this one, and then you can install Pytorch from Anaconda prompt. And in Mac, if you have a Mac, we'll be doing the same thing but using the terminal. Now you can add an environment, and this is strictly optional, and I haven't done so, but in case you want to keep your packages and things like that separate, then yes, you have the option of adding an environment, and then you can just say conda create test. So you can create an environment by the name test, and then you have to activate it by saying conda activate test. So again, if you want to remove it, then you can remove it. So basically, this is the environment that we have created, and conda activate test. And this is more important in Windows than Mac, but there you are. Now, the most important thing is that you have to run this command, conda install pytorch c pytorch, and this is what is going to install Pytorch on your system, separate environment or not. And then you can have pip install torch vision once that is installed correctly. And then we are going to install Pytorch Anaconda on Mac. Again, you can install Anaconda. Make sure you install 3.6 and not 2.7. On Launchpad, click the terminal icon, and then you can run this command, conda install Pytorch torch vision c South Smith, like so. And this should quite easily install the whole of Pytorch on your Mac operating system. And once that is done, you are set to use Pytorch whether you have Windows or Mac.